Hello, my name is Lee Coleman from Hughes Coleman Injury Lawyers. Today I want to talk with you about how to decide which personal injury attorney is going to be best suited to help you after an auto accident in Nashville. First thing is you need and should look for a personal injury attorney who has years and decades of experience, has handled hundreds or thousands of personal injury cases. That experience only comes through time and effort and case after case, and put that experience to work for you and it will pay off. Second, look for an attorney that is local to you, is accessible to you in your community. You need someone who can get out and investigate the accident, take photographs, and then talk with your doctors, get the medical records. Find someone who's local to you in your community, and that will help you. And then third, you need someone who is passionate about handling personal injury cases, helping injury victims. The years and decades of experience, put that to work for you with someone who cares about what they do, who cares about their clients. You get the best result. Our clients have a team of highly experienced personal injury attorneys on their side, advocating for their needs and helping to ensure that they receive the highest possible compensation. If you've been injured by someone else's negligence, we're here for you 24/7. Take control and call us today at 800-800-4600. For additional helpful tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel.